We're playing some carnival games today, right? So I'm not gonna bother you about window cleaning and carpet cleaning, even though I can. First thing I'm gonna have you do, to see if you got some skills, is I'm gonna see if you can put a penny into that cup. Oh, no cheating, unfortunately. That's a few more than one, and you still managed to miss all of them. Next carnival game I got for you is tell me which area is gonna be the dirtiest in a restroom, office, and or lunchroom.
Restroom, I would say door handle.
Oh, that's a pretty good guess. Yeah, you're right. Contact points are gonna be the biggest things. Something we emphasize here at BCS is contact points. We make sure we clean it all with a neutral disinfectant, make sure your facility is nice and clean. Go ahead and guess the office.
Office, I would say keyboard.
Sounds like you've done this before. Go ahead.
Never.
Yeah, definitely your keyboards and phones and all that kind of good stuff. Always want to make sure we're using a neutral disinfectant. Lunchroom?
Refrigerator handle.
You know what? Flip it over. You're right. Anything touched by multiple people in a common area space is gonna be your dirtiest contact point. So for that, you get a free prize. But before you finish this carnival game, you gotta guess the amount of M&Ms in that jar.
Less than 1,000 and more than one.
Oh my gosh. You've got some gifts, my friend. Go ahead.
I would say 683 is what I would say.
683.
Am
You know
I
what?
high or low?
You know what? You are a little high there. I know how many are in there just because I put them all in with chopsticks.
Yes.
Super, super tedious, but I probably ate more M&Ms than I put in.
For the prizes, what do we have here?
You got your microfiber towel for cleaning your screens. You got fridge magnets, dishwasher magnets, anything cleaning, and we also got some handy dandy microwave covers.
But you forgot the most important.
The foam coasters to hold your Celsius
Bob
drink.
Ross easel.
Oh, there we go. Yes, these are meant for the new age millennials and Gen Zs who like to drink Celsius and Red Bulls.
Perfect.